Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WS Cube Tech YouTube channel. Myself, Umar Taskir. Guys, in this specific video, I'm going to talk about the basic SEO audit. So, if you are having a new website, if you're getting a new website from any one of your client, what you are going to do is, first of all, you have to actually do a very basic audit of your website. And for that purpose, there are many tools, there are many free tools that you can actually use, right? So let's begin. And what you have to do is basically you just have to come to Google and you have to type free SEO audit, and here you are going to see some tools. The one very popular is SEO Optimizer. So I'll be opening this SEO Optimizer in one tab, and then you can also go for SEO Site Checkup. So these are the two tools which will give you some insights about the basic SEO audit, right? So they are not going to give you complete SEO audit, because for complete SEO audit, you have to divide your SEO audit process according to the different types of activities which are involved in SEO. For example, if you want to do the technical SEO audit, then you have to go to some Screaming Frog or WooRank kind of a tool, right? And if you want to analyze the headlines or something, so you have to go to headline analyzer kind of tool. And if you want to analyze the content of the web page, that is basically on page SEO efforts, then you have to go to some content analysis related tools. So if you want to dig into search engine optimization audit for any website, then basically you have to rely on different tools. But what comes first is how we are going to do, or how we are supposed to do the basic SEO audit. So if you are getting any website of your client, or it is your website, then you can take the help of these kind of tools and do a very basic, very general audit, right? So I have two tools over here, and we'll be taking the example of wscubetech.com. So let's suppose we are copying this website over here, right, the domain, and we'll be entering it over here, and we are now going to audit, right, using SEO Site Checkup. It's a free tool, right? They do have their paid version also, but most of the times when we are doing basic SEO audit, that can be done using this free SEO Site Checkup tool also. So they are analyzing our website on various parameters, right? So this screen shows that how many checks we have passed and how many failed checks are there and what kind of warnings are there, how many warnings are there. So they are giving some overview of your audit over here. So we got like 89 out of 100, right? Now there are different parameters like meta title test. So the title is present or not, description is present or not, how your web page is actually looking in the Google search preview, the most common keywords that you are using on your web page, keyword usage test, cloud test, related test, right, keyword related test. And then headings, are using headings or not. So these green check marks are showing that we are using all these things. Robot.txt is there, sitemap is there, broken link text. I'll suggest you, if you want to analyze broken links and all those things, then definitely you should go to some technical SEO tools like Screaming Frog or something like that, right? SEO friendly URL test, CSS test. So then you have these favicon, backlink test, Google Analytics is there on your website or not, JS related test, social media icons are present or not. So these are the different parameters like overview that we just saw, and then there is general SEO. Then there are speed related points for which your website is audited. Then there is server and security concern. So your website is audited around server and security concerns. Mobile usability, is it mobile friendly or not? And then some advanced SEO points are there on which your website will be evaluated. So these are the different factors on which your website is basically evaluated. So you will be getting some idea from here. You cannot completely rely on this tool, that whatever things this tool is, whatever things this tool is telling us, those things are all absolutely perfect. And now we do not need to go to any other tool, or we do not need to do some manual things, manual cross check kind of things. It is not going to work that way, right? These tools just give you some idea, right? They just give you some idea, right? It's like 5% or 10% of your what actual audit looks like. So this thing is very important that we have to actually keep in our mind. We cannot simply rely on these tools, like these are the only factors which are there in SEO audit. There are many other factors also that we have to consider. So they just give us some idea, right, on these few parameters. Now let us talk about the another tool also, which is SEO optimizer. So I'm putting same website over here also, right? So I'm putting wscubetech.com over here also, and it will again give us some So this website will also audit our website based on different parameters, right? And we do have some report also, so you can download the report, right? So this report is downloaded over here. And another very important thing is what they are telling you, they are also providing you some suggestions over here, right? So if you're not able to understand what this most common keyword test does, then you can just hover on this small question mark icon, and then from there you can figure out what this actually means and how it is going to impact and what kind of information this test is carrying, right? So these are the different stuffs that are there in this free tool. And as I told you, there's again another tool, right? So this tool was giving us some numerical value out of 100, right? And this tool is giving us some alphabetical ratings, right? Now what they are suggesting is your page could be better, because right now it is like B minus, and the number of recommended improvements are there, right? So they are also analyzing our website on different parameters like SEO, usability, performance, social, and security. On security, we are good because they are looking for HTTPS and all those stuff that is already there on website. So security is not a concern for our website. It's all set, right? Social is again a good thing for us because we do have all the social media icons on our website, the links on our website, right? So we definitely passed, but performance is basically related to speed. So speed related issues are there on our website, so that is why here they are giving us a very poor rating. So they basically generalize, right? In performance, they are basically checking for 4 to 5 parameters, and out of those parameters, they just simply test that okay, if this specific parameter is not meeting, right, or it is not happening, then your performance is like a low, right? And if those parameters, if the conditions are there, and if you are fulfilling the conditions or whatever they have their checklist over there, then your performance will improve. This is how it actually works. Usability and the basic SEO, right? Basic title tag, description tag, and H1 tags, the keywords, the cloud density, and then the density of the keywords. All those factors do actually come into this basic SEO audit thing. So now you can easily come down, and there are different child pages that you can see over here. SEO results. So SEO results, when we say SEO results, see the HTML headers, title, description, body, H1 tags, keyword consistency, keyword frequency, phrases, and everything is over here, right? So it is a bit it is looking a bit more detailed when we were comparing it with SEO site checkup website. But you can use any one of them, right? There's no issue, you can simply use any one of them, but try to use them only for the basic SEO audit. This is a very important thing. You cannot rely on these tools for your advanced SEO audit. So if you got any project from your client, then this is the first thing that you have to do. Just go through these websites and do a basic audit, that what they are actually telling us, right? So you can also download the report as we did from SEO site checkup. So they are giving us some PDF form of report. There are 5 failed checks and there are 41 past checks, and there are 2 warnings also. So you can take some ideas from there, right? And on what keywords you are ranking. So they are just giving you an overview kind of a thing. So the very basic audit can be easily done through these kind of tools. There are many tools also. I've given you examples of only 2 tools, but there are plenty of tools out there in the market. You can use any one of them. They all work on the same principle, same foundation, right? And new tools are coming each and every day. The tool is not a matter of concern over here. The important thing is that they are only doing the basic SEO audit. So I believe you got to know how these tools actually perform and what is basic SEO audit. So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.